Hi guys, and welcome back. So today we're going to walk through something that's going to save you tons of time. It's connecting Emerge with Xero. If you're managing inventory in Emerge and doing accounting in Xero, this integration basically lets both apps talk with each other. So there's no more double entry, no more copy-paste invoices. You export directly from Emerge and it lands right in Xero. We're going to cover 4 things today: how to connect, how to set everything up, and how to actually export your documents. So let's get into it. First thing you want to do is head over to the integration page that's down at the bottom of the left sidebar. Under Blessings, find the Xero integration and hit Setting. Tap in Connect to Xero. In the Configuration tab, type your business name, then click Connect. This will direct you to the Xero login page. Select and match your Xero account and then allow Emerge access, and you connected. That's it. That's literally the hardest part, and this wasn't even hard at all. Okay, so once you connected, there's a little bit setup we need to do before start exporting anything. So the first thing you need to set up is your chart of account mapping. Now I know that sounds a little bit accounting, but let me explain it in plain English. So every time Emerge push a document over to Xero, whether it's an invoice, a receipt, or supplier bills, Xero need to know where do I put this money into my books. So let's go through it. The customer invoice, this is your sales revenue. Map it to your 200 sales account. Non-landed and landed cost of goods sold. These track the cost of what you sold. So both go to 310 account. And notice we're turning these structures on. That's important. If these are off, Xero won't record your cost at all, just your revenue. And it will give you a really wrong picture about your profit. Additional charges is any extra fees you charge your customers, like handling fees, shipping fees, and we're mapping this to 60 other revenue account. Customer invoice payment, that goes to 200 account as well. And for the supplier side, supplier invoice and payment both go to 310 cost of goods sold, because that's what you're spending money on, right? And in the export product logic section, you can choose the option map Emerge products or services to Xero to let Xero auto create and sync products from Emerge if that product doesn't exist in Xero yet. Otherwise, you can just choose the option add product name in Xero invoice description when you export invoices to Xero. Alright, accounts are mapped. Next thing we need to sort out is the tax rate, and this is actually really quick. So in the tax mapping tab, click import. It will wrap all the tax rates you've already configured in Xero and bring them right in the left. So what you do here is map them to the proper Emerge tax rate on the right. That's it. And don't forget to click save once you're done. Now when you export invoices, the tax feature will be consistent on both sides. Okay, let's set up step mapping account at product level, because Xero needs to know per line item which account to post this product to, not just per document. So go to product module, open any product, hit edit, and scroll down to the Xero account section. Sell lines such as customer invoice and receipts go to 200 account. Cut lines such as supplier invoice and payment go to 310 cost of goods sold. And inventory lines goes to your inventory asset account. Now, if you've got a lot of product and you're thinking, I'm not doing this one by one. So do you remember that auto sync we turned on in the account mapping before? Yeah, just push all the products to Xero with the right account codes attached. So just spot check a few key products to make sure everything looks right, then we're good to go. Alright, setup is done. Let's go export some invoices. In the integration Xero detail page, click in the export to Xero tab. You will see all your invoices and receipts listed here. You can sort out the type of document you want to export and export them one by one, or just select multiples and mark export to Xero. That's it. In the tab success, your exported invoice already here. Now flip over to Xero side. In the sales module, you click invoices. You see that invoices from Emerge already here. You can see all the line items, the customer details, and the total amount. Everything is exactly as it was in Emerge. Also, you can click in the products and services. Xero already created products from those invoices here automatically. So that's the integration between eMERGE and Xero. You run your business in eMERGE the way you normally do, and then your accountant gets clean, accurate data in Xero. If you have any question or running into issues, drop them in the comment section below or reach out to our eMERGE support team. Again, thanks for watching and see you in the next one.